Hello. I'm calling about an apartment. I'd like to rent a furnished two-bedroom place.
We have one furnished apartment left. It's air-conditioned and rents for $575 per month.
Are the utilities included?
The water is, but not the gas and electricity.
That's a little more than I wanted to pay. Thanks anyway.
Hello, Breezeway Manor Apartments. How may I help you?
Do you have a furnished two-bedroom apartment in the $400 range?
Why, yes, you're in luck. One just came open today. It goes for $450 per month, including water.
Is it on the first or second floor?
The first floor. It's very close to our swimming pool. Shall I hold it for you? I'll need 1 month's rent as a deposit as soon as possible.
Yes, please do. I'll be right over.